Did you know you could write this in C? And do you know why these two are not exactly equivalent? Right. So, the assignment operator in C. Assignment is an operator. It's not as helpful to think of it as a statement. It's better to try and think of it as an operator. An operator always returns a value. It always evaluates something and returns a value. So, assignment is also right associative. Excuse me. Also known as right to left associative. So you start on the right, you create a group on the right as much as you can. So here's the group on the right. And then that returns the value. In this case, it returns k with the data type of j. And then that is assigned to I as well. Well, first it returns the value, and then it assigns that value to the left operand, which is I. So here, whenever you see this, just think of it as the right hand side. Right, so here is the data type again. I is an int, even though the value that we give as a constant is a float denoted by f. This will actually return 72 because it's truncated and be given to I. Compound assignment. We have to think of this as not equivalent to this. Right? These two are not equivalent. Going back, these two are not equivalent. They're similar. In 99% of cases they are equivalent, but if we look at this edge case, we see that V in this example gets returned once in this first line, and V in this case we're using an array to show you what happens. This, the AI++ gets evaluated twice. So for sake of clarity I'll repeat. Here V is only evaluated once, it's only brought up once in the code, in the assembly code I guess. Here V is brought up twice, and when you're incrementing an array that becomes non-trivial. So that's the theory. I'm going to propose some exercises for you guys. I want you to run a hello world program in C and run the example code above to verify its points. For example, the above statement, I want you to run this code and either use a debugger like GDB or just print out I and see what value it actually has. And also verify that these two are two different lines of code. Thank you. There are donation links. Please like and subscribe. This helps the channel out a lot. And I hope this video was helpful.